Now to political stories. A chieftain of the African Democratic Congress ADC, Leke Abejide, and factional national chairman of the party, Nafiu Bala, have declared the recently concluded National Convention of the party held in Abuja on the 14th of April 2026 as illegal and illegitimate. The document of the controversial ADC convention is sequel to the unresolved crisis following the emergence of Senator David Mark as the newly elected party chairman, where Abejide and Bala were suspended from the party, and some stakeholders described it as illegal and lacking any legal backing. Addressing journalists at a World Press Conference in Abuja, Abejide criticized members of the coalition, accusing them of political opportunism while questioning their capacity to manage the party.
We want to let the party members and the general public know that the Suya Convention that ADC Coalition held on the 14th of April 2026 at an event center in Abuja is null and void, as it is against the law of the land, both the Electoral Act 2026 and the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended. There is an existing court order from the Federal High Court and the Supreme Court, respectively, that they should not do anything pending the determination of the case in court, especially the Supreme Court. But to everybody's amazement, these people flagrantly disobeyed the court and went and gathered in a place to hold an illegal convention.
Part, Nafiu Bala argued that the convention violated a subsisting judgment of the Court of Appeal delivered on March 12, 2026. He maintained that the decision reached at the convention stands to be nullified by the Federal High Court due to the absence of the Independent National Electoral Commission at the convention.
As far as a duly constituted and legitimate leadership of the great party is concerned, the coalition groups are not members of the African Democratic Congress, ADC. Subsequently, they select the requisite local standing to convene any congresses or convention, and any resolution decisions emanating from such gathering are devoid of legal effect and cannot pass the test of legality. It is particularly noteworthy that whilst they were engaging in the same unlawful assembly, their counsel was before the Supreme Court, seeking the judicial validation of the same congresses and convention, thereby underscoring the legitimacy of the entire exercise.
The factional leaders therefore called on party members and the public to respect the rule of law, warning that continued disregard for court orders could affect the legitimacy of the ADC's future electoral activities.